So we're heading down now and we're about to cross the Bowen Bridge that I keep babbling about, but I don't know that I've ever filmed it. Nice little MX-5 in front. Beautiful, isn't it? And the other way is the mouth where that Bowen River empties out, and that's what we're crossing now, the Bowen River. And behind all that shrubbery, there's literally hundreds, maybe even thousands of caravans and tents and what have you. People come back here year after year, some decade after decade. Anyway, it's Bowen Heads as we approach Ocean Grove. I'll turn off now and catch up later. Okay folks, we're heading down to another little dirt track that we discovered, and that should take us down to Swan Bay Road. So it must be nice to be a little interlude from all these cars zipping by. So if I don't miss that turn again. Remember I missed it last time and I had to do a U-turn at the next crossroad?
What was the road?
I can't remember. I don't think it's Anderson's, it's another one.
Night?
I think it's not, I don't think it's Anderson's.
At night?
Could be Knights Road, yeah. Sorry at the time.
It's so close.
Nice to escape from the automobiles. Oh, and another rabbit. Pick out rabbits. Bring the drone down here one day and see how successful it is tracking us through those tree lines. Engine temperature's 123. Oh, there's a car coming. Dang. Very kind of him indeed.
Probably.
Not too bumpy.
That's not too bad at all.
A little bit loose in places, but otherwise it's all right. A little loose timber around, it's probably because of that wind we've had.
Yeah. Bit of fire.
Yeah. Oh, must be bin day. Oh, that's Swan Bay coming up. Left down here. There's another trail that we tried to get up, but it was flooded down the end, so we might go for a sneak up there and see whether it's open yet. What's Car Road? Hey, I don't think so.
No, I can't.
Or Connewarre.
That there last time?
No?
Was that there before?
No, I don't think so. I know the road closed sign's not there anymore.
No. Where is this supposed to take you anyway?
I don't know.
Like water hole.
There's the bog hole. I don't think I'm really going in there, even though it is open.
No.
But I'll have a look.
I'll be right if you're in the car.
Yeah, need a stick. Not too bad. Probably doable, but I don't think I really need to, so. Whoa, very soft there. Whoa! See that? I ain't going there. Bloody hell. Don't need the stick. Just need clean boots.
Get a bit muddy, did you?
Yeah. No stick required anymore. So, engine temperature 142. as far as I can to keep the sidecar as low as I can. This looks like a bloody riverbed.
It does, doesn't it?
All these rocks. Lean left, lean left. On a bit of an angle.
Wow.
It's all right coming in because the sidecar's get up there. Sandy up here.
Right.
Done. Get some of these cameras off.